All right, good morning and welcome to Godwin Tech. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can create table in Excel. Okay, the first step is for you to open your Excel app. So just open it so that you have an interface that looks like what you are seeing right now. Then when the app is opened and you select your workbook, start creating your data. I advise you have you make the first row your heading because table goes with heading. So maintain that standard, and that is what I'm going to do here. So let's assume that I have a company that is called Wintech Company. So and I have some employees. So I will make um enter data about the few employees here. So first is to create their headings. Okay, first is name. This will make my heading name. Position in the company. Okay, then I consider age a factor, so I'm making these major information a heading. Okay, so I'll select them and make them bold so the system will know that these are my headings. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Okay, so drag, make them bold. Okay, now I know the name will be longer than this, so this space will not accommodate. So I'll click on the first column and drag to create more higher space to accommodate the names. Then the position is still small, the column, so I will expand that. Age is okay, so I don't have any problem with that. So let me expand. Okay, let's assume the first name is Mike Smart. Second name, Lillian Owen. The third, um, Richard. Ben. Okay, maybe these are the stuff I want to talk about, the information about their position. Then maybe manager, you need manager, just a manager. Then Lillian is sales head or head of sales. Okay. Then this is my financial advisor. Financial advisor. All right. Then let me just insert any data in their age, 32, 31. Then the next person is 28. All right. Okay. Now I want to convert this data to table. The first is to select the entire data. Then click on Insert tab. Insert tab is one of the major tabs of Excel. Then click on Table. Okay, the Create Table dialog box has shown up. Just hit the OK button. And here we are. This is our table. I hope this video helps. Please do well to like the video, subscribe to my channel. And if there's any video you want me to cover that are related to Excel, please still drop it in the comment section. I will make a time to create such. Stay good and thank you once again.